to your Facebook. First thing we need to do is find the email that I send you. On the bottom it says download all walkthrough photos at their full size. Click on that and download the pictures wherever you download them. Once they're downloaded, you just go to your Facebook page and you're going to upload pictures just like you normally upload pictures. There's nothing different. You select the 4 pictures that I sent you that you just downloaded and you open them. They are kind of distorted when you look at them, but after they've been uploaded to your Facebook, they're not distorted. You can tell it recognizes them as a spherical panorama by that little icon there. That's the icon that means spherical 360-degree picture. Once you get the pictures uploaded, you can actually edit them and show the direction that you want. By clicking, when you go over that little icon there, the paintbrush comes up and you can move it. You can zoom out. And let's just say we want it to look right about, look at that, we got the kitchen, the stairway, the fireplace, the balcony there. That's one view. Do this with all the views. Let's zoom out a little bit. And we'll get let's zoom in just a little bit. There we go, look at that. Let's do the balcony here. Click on right about like that. Save that. And the last one. Let's show the front door. I mean, look at that. You can't get a view like that in a picture. I mean, it really shows what the house is really like. 360 degrees. That looks good. Save that. You can say something about it, put a link in here, put a link to the tour, branded. Once they get their attention, when they see the spherical 360s, they can click right onto the link. So when you have it on your Facebook, it uploads. It's going to look just like this in a group of 4. You can click on the picture, and voila, look at that. It comes up as a 360. So they can engage into your panorama and see what the house really looks like. That's it. If you have any questions, give me a call, but I think it's pretty easy. So easy, even a caveman could do it.